In this next opener, we're going to take a geometric look at the idea we just explored in opener 12. So we're opener 13. So now, looking at this, the length of this segment is x, as is this, while the length of this other one is 3. And so if I want to know the total length of this entire segment, I wouldn't say it was 3x. It's not 3 times x. It is in fact just x plus 3. And likewise, looking down, this is x plus 5. So geometrically, what we're doing to find the area here is we're just finding the product of x plus 3 times x plus 5. We're finding length times width, or base times height. And so we're really multiplying these binomials. And a way to think of it geometrically is to find the areas of the smaller squares or rectangles. So if you multiply x times x, you get x squared. 3 times x gives you 3x. 5 times x gives you 5x. And 3 times 5 gives you 15. And when you add up the areas, you get x squared plus 8x plus 15, which of course, using our shortcut, is the same as the sum of the two, the h and the k value, to give you 8, and the product to give you 15. So this is just a geometric way of looking at the same thing. And now you should be able to work backwards, because we're going to start to think about, well, what if I was given the answer? How would I come up with the question? So, let's look at this. We're told here that the answer is x squared plus 9x plus 1. And further, it was kind of broken down for us into x squared plus 7x plus 2x plus 14. Now this should hopefully give it away. Oh, by the way, this is a 14, not a 1. Hopefully on your paper it's a 14 as well. So this should be hopefully a giveaway, right? Because the two, you'll notice that the number 3 and 5 also appear in the 3x and 5x. So since I have 7x and 2x, this should be 7 and 2. And it doesn't matter if you put 7 and 2 or 2 and 7. It should turn out to be the same thing. And if you look at these two, they do add to 9 and multiply to positive 14. So in thinking about this, just to kind of start to jump a little ahead, what we're really looking for when we see a trinomial is two numbers that add to b, a plus b, we'll call it, that also those same numbers multiply to c, to 14. And when we look for two numbers that multiply to 14 that add to 9, we in fact come up with 7 and 2. So we're going to continue to extend this idea, and you notice this is plus plus. This is a little bit an easier, more obvious case. We have two pluses. We're going to start looking at what happens when you have two minuses, or a plus and a minus, or a minus and a plus.